So children, there are some plants who do not have chlorophyll, isn't it? That is, we have seen the heterotrophic plants, means they take ready-made food from the other plant. You see some yellow tubular twinning like structure on the trees, on the plants. So this is called as what? The plant Amarvale. This plant takes ready-made food from the other plant on which it is climbing. They are also called as what? Climber plants. They are the climbers. They does not contain chlorophyll. The Amarvale does not contain chlorophyll. So how do it takes its nutrition? It takes nutrition from the other plant on which it is climbing. That is some yellow tubular twinning like structure. That is nothing but what? Amarvale. So the plant on which it is climbing, the plant on which it climbs, it is called as what? Host plant. The plant which helps the other one to give nutrition, who helps to prepare its food. That is the plant on which the other plant climbs. That is called as what? Host plant. Whereas the other plant who deprives the nutrition of the host plant, they are called as what? Parasites. Means the parasites are the dependent one, they are the climbers. For example, Amarvale is a parasite. Because it is a climber, it takes the nutrition of the plant on which it climbs. And the plant on which it is climbing, they are called as what? The host plant. Are you clear about host and parasite? Host plant, the plant on which it climbs, means the plant on which Amarvale plant climbs, it is called as what? Host plant. And the other one which deprives the nutrition of the host plant, which deprives the deprives the nutrients of the host plant, they are called as what? The parasites. So can you see that human beings and animals are also parasites? They can also be called as parasites. Yes, we can say that we are parasites because we are dependent on the other plants. We are dependent on the other animals. It's also amazing if you might have heard that there are some plants who eat insects. Have you ever heard about it? Yes. There are some plants who eat insects, who are dependent on the other insects, who take nutrition from those insects. That is the pitcher-like plant. They are called as what? Insectivorous plants because they trap the insects. So we will learn about this in detail in our further class. Okay students? So are you clear about the mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic? Yes, one is the autotrophic mode of nutrition in which the green plants prepare their own food, and the other one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition in which there are some other plants, there are some animals, there are some human beings who are dependent on the other plants. So they are called as what? Heterotrophs, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Then one is the host and the other one is parasite. The climber is called as parasite because it climbs on the other plant. It takes the nutrition of the other plant. And the plant on which it is climbing, they are called as what? Host. Are you getting my point? Yes, children.